Dear Cheri, I'm relatively new to cannabis edibles, but my friends have been using them for some time with great success. But they seem to always make things like cookies and cupcakes and candies and sweets. I've never been much of a fan of sweets. Is it necessary that cannabis edibles be sweet, or can I cook other things? Heck no, edibles do not have to be sweet. Before I elaborate on that, though, I want to remind everybody, hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell, because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. Certainly sweet edibles are popular. Who doesn't love desserts? But you can cook almost anything with cannabis. Most anything can be medicated, especially any recipes that contain butter or oil. Very easy to medicate. But with concentrates, you can medicate almost any food. So you should make edibles that you like to eat or that fit your dietary requirements. Now, there are lots of recipes for all kinds of foods on my website. There'll be a link below in the comments. Hundreds of recipes for every course of every meal, for all seasons and all tastes and occasions. I also really teach this in my cannabis cooking courses as well, that edibles are more than cookies and candies and brownies, and I really wish people would think outside of that box, especially if you're dealing with health issues, because I always keep coming back to a seminar I heard from a cancer doctor. I can't remember his name, but this was years ago, but the quote stuck with me. Sugar is food for cancer. So why would we be feeding cancer patients edibles with sugar when we can feed them more healthy things? So definitely think outside the box. Check out my cooking course. Check out the recipes on my website, because you can medicate most anything. You can make it elaborate and really have a fun time being a foodie in the kitchen. But you can also medicate quick and easy healthy things. One of my favorites and easiest to use cannabis oil would be vinaigrette dressings that you can put on a salad or sprinkle on steamed veggies or fish or chicken. So there's lots of quick and easy ways to use cannabis in recipes that aren't sweet, that are more healthy, but you still get a great medicated dose. Hope this helps. Eat your weed.